Hi, I'm Brenda Bradford, and I'm here to share some English tips with you today. Today, we are going to be learning about the TH sound. Many people learning English have a difficult time creating the TH. Some common words are thing, with, both, tooth, the, these, those. Making the TH sound, there are actually two sounds. You place your tongue between your teeth and your tongue will stick through your upper teeth and your lower teeth. I know that feels hard and awkward for you, but try it. The voiceless TH is just air and you just push the air through. Think, think. But the voice sound, you add voice and vibration. These, them. Do not put your upper teeth on your lower lip. This will result in an F sound. And many Portuguese speakers trying to learn English pronounce the TH as an F. Think, think. It's incorrect. The voiceless TH is used with content words, such as nouns and verbs. At the beginning of a word, thing, thank, third, thumb. In the middle, bathtub, truthful, toothpick, and at the end, math, oath, with. Voice TH sound with the vibration are used with function words, such as prepositions and possessives. They, them, their. Between the two vowels in the middle of a word, mother, worthy, but never at the end of a word. Let's practice the voiceless TH. Thing, athlete, thank, third, thumb, math, tooth, truthful. And now the voice TH. Say the words after me. This, these, that, those, they, mother, therefore. Practice both sounds together. Thin, then, think, these, third, them, thanks, either, birthday cake, clothing, healthy, worthy, math, father, breath, breathe. And in some sentences, you'll notice both sounds are mixed in with all of the sentences. This thick book is for those 3 students. That tree is thick enough to be thrown into the fire. They lost their 3rd math contest. Thank you for the thoughtful gift. Those 3 dogs ran through the neighborhood. With this sentence, we think we are through with the TH sound. Now time to check yourself. You can fill in the blank using the correct words. Pause your video and fill in the blank with these words. Now for the answer, and I included both sounds of the TH in the answers. His thumb got shut in the door. This car is very nice. I want to buy 3 shirts. They were happy with the birth of their daughter. Those books are very thick. Addition and subtraction are functions of math. The boy asked his mother to bring his lunch. Thinking about the pronunciation of TH is making me tired. I hope you have a better understanding of how the TH sound works in English, and always remember the spiritual principles to learning a language. Pray, read, act in faith, and write in your journal. Taken from English Connect. Bye!